Hello everyone! Maayong adlaw ug maayong adlaw para sa atong tanan. Today, I'm going to be sharing about one experience on a Sunday afternoon, which was really the first time for me. And I found myself in the past few weeks just wanting to see rice fields because most rice fields now are very green and somehow they really soothe me because preparing for the new semester had been really challenging. Of course, it's a very positive mindset. It's challenging because there's a lot of work, and every weekend I love to see green rice fields. And one day when I visited the AEC, or the Agricultural Experiment Center of the university, I learned something new from two schoolboys, and it was very enlightening for me. So I'm going to be sharing that experience with you today. So enjoy, and if you have some comments, please comment below. And I'm going to see you later. Bye.
So the AEC has become one of my favorite go-to places whenever I'd like to relax my brain and unwind. And one day, I saw two boys digging out something from the rice paddies, especially along the buns or the pilapil. And so I decided to go near them. And this is just what I saw. And they were busy trying to fish out something from under the ground. Earlier, I saw them fish out some worms, and I learned that they were worms because I asked. And for this kid, he was really trying to pull out something, and I asked, "What are you doing?" And they said they are going to get some Igat, and I had a double take. Like, what? Igat? What's that? Because I have a different mindset for the word. I know the word Igat, but not Igat. And so I asked permission to just observe, and I asked some questions, of course. But when the kid was doing this, everyone has to be quiet. Everyone had to be quiet, and I was so quiet. And although the kid was really trying to get Igat, he was not successful. But earlier, they already were able to fish out, such as this one. They had 3 Igats already, and it was getting late. It was around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it was beautiful around us. But the kid in the red hoodie was saying, "I think we better move somewhere." And so he picked up the Igats on the ground, and I just saw that they actually had other family members on another part of the field. But we actually had a longer conversation, and I was so surprised by what I've learned from them. They were actually in grade 7, I think, and they go to Dulugan National High School. And again, we had a long conversation, but I cannot show that or I can share everything. But one thing I learned is that they had such a very positive attitude, and they were so kind to me. Um, I was a weird person who just went to them and started asking questions, and they were so kind to accommodate my questions. And so the day for me ended with a beautiful note. I wanted to just go there to relax and take photos, and I found better things. And again, I was so glad because I stayed late just talking to them and observing, and I was able to finally see the windmill working. So all along earlier, it was just, you know, stuck, and the wind picked up eventually late in the afternoon, and it started to work. And although it was late, I decided to just film, and I even sat down for more than 10 minutes on the ground just filming because it was actually my first time to go up close. Before it before it turned, I don't know the proper word to use. I actually went closer. I was under the windmill for the first time, and it was just very still. And I even saw a sign that perhaps it was constructed sometime in 1951 or 1957. And I was just happy to have that kind of afternoon. I was there for more than 2 hours actually, and I even saw twilight and sunset. And I was just glad that I went there and did not have to be very insistent on what I want to do, and just freely observe and flow with things. And I went there to just relax, and I came home bearing with me more lessons.
Hi again. Today has been a wonderful day for the family. We had some kind of celebration, and I would just like to end this vlog with, again, a thank you to everyone who is really following this channel and supporting this channel. So I hope you got something from what I shared today. I did promise to give you something, at least one vlog every weekend, and whatever I have gleaned from the universe, some kind of wisdom, some kind of learning, it's always my desire to share it and to pass it on. So with that, I'm going to say bye and see you in the next vlog. Good night, everyone.